because what we think, India think, they don't think like this. So we don't need trust them. So here is a problem, and we right now not a good relationship with the Chinese and China country.
Okay, that's
Mm,
it.
and right now, as a, and everybody in the world knows, there is a come from China's virus, and
Okay, there's a virus which came from China.
China came from China, and
Mhm.
here is
Tell me about that virus. What you know about that virus?
that's virus, and that's virus name is COVID,
Mhm.
and so in the world, many people will uh,
Are
dead,
dying.
uh, are dying, and mm, that's time to from today we are suffering that virus, and so really fearing, and living really extreme mm, mm, uh, fear, and we uh,
Mhm.
from that time uh, now is a real economic, everything is down, and school college everything is just shut down, and
Shut down. Mhm.
shut down, and we are not a good good many people are not good health, so that's problem.
Okay, many people are not in good health, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
And
fine. That
that
mhm.
is a very dangerous virus, and what is
Dangerous virus.
yeah, and because that's what is really trying to destroy this virus, and making many vaccine, but uh, uh, not a not real successful.
Okay, everybody is trying to make vaccines, but not. It's not very successful, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Mhm. Fine. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You're speaking well. Then why are you so nervous? Don't be
Because
nervous. We all are learning, so just speak up whatever you know. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Amandeep, are you ready?
Yes. Should I start?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So India and China, both countries had a good relationship in the previous year, but recently, due to some disputes at the border, they were facing issues. And furthermore, the coronavirus also added fuel to the fire. While China is a pretty developed country and India is a still developing country, India was more reliant on China rather than China is more reliant on India. So India faced many issues related to technologies, as we already know. Even small to small circuit boards and other devices, they are imported from China.
You
Even
can use
that
the
the
word
even the
minor for small to small. Okay.
okay, minor things. Okay,
Mhm.
even the transformer that is used in a microwave, it's imported from China. So that shows how much we are reliant on China rather than China is reliant on us. So um, in order to show them that India is not reliant so much, India can be independent. We banned TikTok. We are trying to ban other Chinese products in India and trying to be Atmanirbhar in India. So I would say India-China relationship was pretty reliant on China rather than India. But still, India is taking a further step, taking their own initiative and trying to be more independent and not reliant on China. So it's a good thing that happened, but the military disputes was not a good thing.
Yeah, Pulwama attack, right?
Hmm,
Okay, anything else?
nothing.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Amandeep. Now it's time for you, Pradeep. Are you ready? Go ahead. Hello, Pradeep. Pradeep, unmute and speak.
Yes, hello.
Yeah,
Uh,
start.
yes. China, ma'am, is a big country and have technical sound currently and from the born, I think it's a sound in technical field.
Okay.
But current age, it's
Currently.
currently it's very well relation with Pakistan, not in India.
Okay, it has a good
After
relationship with Pakistan.
Pakistan, yes.
Mhm.
After Corona, reputation and reputation of this country has down in all over in the world because uh, I think and all over the world, uh, uh, all over the world, uh, हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे कि इसमें ही मानना यही है कि कोरोना वायरस यहीं से जो है स्प्रेड हुआ है.
Okay, all over the world, people are believing that coronavirus has emerged from China only.
Okay. All over the world. Uh, now, relative with India are not good relations because of the land issue in the border.
Mhm.
So, and after that, he had uh, he had sent some viruses attack on software like through mail and
Okay,
through
China is a country, so you have to use the word it. It has sent.
mm, it has sent many type of viruses to attack on financially banking sector and etc. The type of software attacking. So after that, Chinese and India relation is not good current age.
Mhm.
Uh, so currently, setup of the Chinese company in India and not good relationship with them. So I think the financial problem with them not good current age
Okay, financial problem is not as good as.
with with them.
Okay,
Mm, that's it, ma'am.
okay, fine, that's great. Hmm. So now I would like I'll be teaching you some. Pradeep, you said now you want to learn some basic vocabs and you want to learn grammar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I've already taught Amandeep about this grammatical part. Many of
Mm,
the grammatical part we covered. So
mm,
other than that, we'll be covering during these weekdays, and which we already covered. We can have that class on Saturdays. Okay.
okay.
Hmm.
Only Saturday, ma'am.
No. We'll be covering grammatical part right now, but which already I have taught Amandeep. We'll be covering
Mm,
that part on Saturdays. Okay,
okay.
fine. Today,
Okay, fine.
Mhm. Today I'll be
Mm,
teaching you
mm,
some alternative words for saying that you are busy. If your friend is asking you to go out, and if you don't want to make him sad and say you are busy, you can use these phrases. Fine.
mm.
Okay. So each one has to read one phrase. Fine. Okay. Let's start with Kishore. Kishore, read first. Kishore, unmute and speak. Hello? Okay.
Okay, so I can start.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead, Pradeep.
Mm, I am booked up.
I'm
I am
booked
all
up.
booked up. I'm booked up. I'm all booked up today, but I could fit you in on Monday.
Yeah. I'm booked up means
Second,
I'm busy today because I have a lot of work to do. So here is the example. I'm all booked up today, but I could fit you in on Monday. That means if your friend is asking for going out, you can say, today I'm all busy. My schedule is all tightened up due to work. It's all booked up. So we can go out on Monday like that. Fine. Now second,
second one.
Amandeep, you read. You can read
I'm,
alternately, okay?
okay, I'm swamped. I haven't had any time to myself recently. I've been so swamped with work.
Okay. And swamped means um, you are so much engaged in work. Okay, that means getting so much engaged or involved in the work. So here's the example. I haven't had any time for myself recently. I have been so swamped up with work. That means he didn't have time for himself because he was so much involved in his work. Right?
Okay.
If you
Ma'am,
have
recording
any
we
doubt,
should get.
yeah, okay. I'm recording, but my laptop is not supporting that much, so I can only record the main part, okay?
Mm,
My laptop already has a lot of stuff, so that's why. Okay, third one, go ahead, Pradeep.
uh, I have got a lot to do.
Mhm.
I need to crack on. I have got a lot to do.
Hmm. That means you have a lot of work to do. Fine?
Mm,
It's a simple phrase. Pradeep, sorry, Kishore, are you ready?
no.
It's okay. Amandeep, go ahead.
I have a lot going on. Don't call her until Monday. She has a lot going on right now.
Hmm. I have a lot going on means she has a lot of work that she's doing and she is facing a lot of work and problems related to her work. So that's why she is busy. So here is the example. Don't call her until Monday. She has a lot going on right now. That means don't call her because she has a lot of work that she's doing right now. So she can't do anything else. Right?
Mm,
Pradeep, go ahead with the
yes,
fifth
ma'am.
one.
Okay. I have a lot on the go. I have got to so much on the go right now. I don't think I can cope.
Cope.
Yes.
Okay. I have a lot on the go means right now he is very much busy. So right now he is doing a lot of work. So I have got so much on the go right now. That means he has a lot of work right now. I don't think I can cope. That means he can't cope up with anything else. Fine. Do you know the meaning of cope?
Cope, I in force, yeah, fasal,
No, no, it's not crop. It's cope.
yeah,
Fasal
cope,
is CROP, crop. Fine.
force में,
Force. No, no, not force.
I think cope,
Okay. Cope is dealing with something.
mm,
This cope is
okay,
dealing with something. Fine.
okay,
Or managing something. So here
yes,
he
ma'am.
is saying he can't cope. He can't deal with more work or deal with that much work that he has right now because he has a lot of work right now. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt with any terms or anything, please speak. Okay. Otherwise, I will think that you know everything. That's why you are not speaking up. Okay.
Mm.
Sixth one, Amandeep, go ahead.
I have got a lot on my plate right now. In January, I'm starting a new position and I will have lot more on my plate.
Exactly. That means you have, it is a phrase that means you have a lot of work right now to do. So, in this part, the example they are saying in January, I'm starting a new position and I will have a lot more on my plate. That means on January, she's getting into a new position in her career. So she'll be having a lot of work that time. That means that's what she's saying, that she has a lot on her plate. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Pradeep, go ahead with the seventh one.
Okay, okay. I am up to my ears.
Mhm.
Will has no time to watch rugby. He's up to his ears in farm work.
Okay. I'm up to my ears means he has a lot of work till in Hindi we do say na kaan tak bhara hua,
Hmm.
or so it's like that. He has a lot of
Yes,
work
yes.
that it's up to his ears. So that's why
Hmm.
here is the example. Will has no time to watch rugby. He's up to his ears in farm work. He's doing farming, so he won't be getting uh, to time to watch rugby because he has a lot of work in the farm that is up to his ears. Right?
Rugby. What is rugby, ma'am?
It's a type of movie, I guess, or a game.
Okay. Yeah.
Rugby is a sport.
Okay, it's a sport. Okay. Here she's saying it's a
Hmm.
sport. I'm not into sports. I'm just I don't like sports. Okay. Ninth
Okay,
one.
okay. Thank you.
I'm tied up. I can't come over right now as I'm a bit tied up.
Okay. I'm tied up. This is a virtual time because in real time is bandhna. You know na? Bandhna.
I know.
So it is just virtual. We are thinking that he's tied up because of work. If we have a lot
Hmm.
of work, we can't move from here and there. So it is said that I'm tied up. We can use the word I'm tied up if we are very much into work and we can't move from there. Okay. For example,
Okay.
I can't come over right now as I am a bit tied up. He's saying that I can't come over because I am into work that I can't move from here.
Okay.
Now, ninth one.
No, I cannot take anything else on. I would love to volunteer for your project, but I cannot take any more on.
Okay, this is a simple phrase. It means that he can't take any
Hmm.
more work on to do because he is already doing a lot
Hmm.
of work. For example, here it is said, I would love to volunteer for your project, but I can't take any more. Here he is saying that he would love to help his friend for his project, but he has a lot of work right now that he can't take anything else to any more work. Fine.
Hmm.
Tenth one,
Right.
Amandi.
Okay. I'm stressed. I'm feeling very stressed at present. Could we rearrange for a quieter time?
Okay, I'm stressed. It's a simple phrase that she is very much into work, that she has a lot of stress, lot of problems that she has to tackle with, he or she. So if you have a lot of work or more problems in work, you can say I'm very much stressed with work. Okay.
11th.
Hmm.
I am overworked. I think I am overworking myself. I think I need some time off.
Exactly. This means we we have a normal pace of doing a work. Or pace, no, we have a capability of doing this much work each day. But if we are doing more than that, it means overworking. So if you are doing a lot of work which is more than that of everyday work, then you can say I am overworked or I am overworking. So here it is said, I think I am overworking myself. I think I need some time off. Here the writer is saying he is doing a lot of work right now for himself, a lot of work doing for uh, he's doing a lot of work, so he needs some time to rest. Okay.
Mm.
12th one, Amandeep.
I'm overstretched or overloaded. Last year, I totally overstretched myself. So this year, I'm trying to prioritize my key tasks.
Okay. Overstretched means if you do a lot of work that is similar to overwork. So you can say I overstretched. Stretch is खींचना. So if you will say
Mm.
overstretched, so uh, you have
Cross
stretched
the limit.
stretched yourself to a longer or more than the limit. So
Mm.
here the writer is saying, last year I totally overstretched myself. Last year you did a lot of work. So this year he is trying to give priority to his own tasks. Okay. 13th one, Pradeep.
I'm snow under. This winter I
Snowed
have been
under.
snow under. Mm.
I am snowed
This,
under. Be clear.
I'm, I'm snowed under. This winter I have been snowed under, and it has not even snowed.
Exactly. Snowed under, this is a virtual snow because if we can
Mm.
say now, we are under snow, that we are just covered or we are sandwiched. That means we have a lot of work. So ऐसे कहते हैं ना हिंदी में कि हमारे ऊपर पूरी मिट्टी आ गई और हमने मिट्टी से ढक दिया है, वैसे ही स्नो से ढक दिया है. It is something like
Mm.
that. So it means the winter, it has been snowed under. That means he did a lot of work, but it didn't show the means it didn't give that much uh, right thing that he deserved for that work. Okay,
Mm.
right results that he deserved. 14th one, Amandi.
My diary, my diary is full. My diary is full this month. I wonder if I could squeeze you in next month.
Exactly. My diary is full means our schedule is tight. Our schedule is all full that we can't do anything else now. So here the writer is saying my diary is full this month. I wonder if I could squeeze you in next month. This means the writer is saying her whole schedule is tight this month. So she'll try to do this work or somebody else next month. Involve that work in next month. Fine. 15th one,
Yes, ma'am.
Pradeep.
I have other priorities at the moment, but I accept things to calm down next month.
I have other priorities means if you are working and if your friend is asking for a day out, you can say that you are prioritizing your work. You can say I have other priorities, that's why I can't come. So it is the same. You can simply say I have other priorities which I have to
Mm.
complete. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this much only. I'll be sharing the PDF. No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, regarding this, Empower has some provided some data books, I think.
No,
So
they
same
haven't.
related, they have no.
They haven't provided any data. They actually said they'll be providing, but they didn't provide. I don't have.
Yes.
These are my data which I made for
So
teaching.
related this. So which chapter can I read? Do you have any knowledge about?
Chapter. These are some
Mm.
basic words or alternatives
Mm.
that we can say for I am busy. If you want to say you are busy, you can simply say
Mm.
these words to your friend. Then it won't look bad. If they are
Mm.
asking for out and you want to say no to them, you can simply say
Mm.
something from these phrases. So it won't look bad or and it would look better if you will say these phrases. So
Mm.
these are some alternate words for I am busy. Fine. You can search on internet
Yeah,
as well.
it's okay, ma'am. Yeah. It's okay.
Mhm. There is no particular
Okay. Thank
chapter
you.
related to this. These are some basic English that you should
Okay.
know. That's why I'm teaching. I'll be sharing this
Okay.
PDF. Don't
Okay.
worry. You can learn from that as well.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.